Nurhaliza. Can we give them a warm round of applause as they celebrate their anniversary, cutting a cake, sharing their love. 19 years in this beautiful journey together. And that's right, everybody, this flower on behalf of Nur Jiwa Foundation. And now we would like to invite all the VIPs to come into the cinema as we take a nice big group photo with this beautiful background before we kickstart the typical session for today. So can we get everybody? Wait, sorry. Before it becomes a mess, right? Before I say things that I don't want to say, first can we invite all the VIPs